Welcome back to Funnelbolt, and today what I want to show you is our Ringless voicemail feature and how that works, how you can integrate that with your business. Whether you are generating leads outside of our system, so if you are using a landing page builder or WordPress or whatever you're using, or if you just have a list that you want to upload into our system, assuming you own the list, you can upload a list into our system and utilize the Ringless voicemail feature. So what happens is the phone will ring once and a voicemail will be left on that number, assuming that it makes the connection, right? So first and foremost, what has to be set up in our system is a Twilio number. So I've talked about this a few times with regard to text messages, but it's equally as important for the Ringless voicemail feature. So you would go to the settings and you would set up your Twilio account, which Twilio is very reasonable. You're going to spend $1 a month per number, and then just the data, which in this case you're going to be using voicemails. So that would be done, the credits for those voicemails would be purchased in our Bolt packages. So they can be purchased as soon as they are purchased and your account has the credit available. You can send voicemails, no problem. So the Bolt packages, the way they work, and we can customize these if there's something else that you want. We're trying to make this as affordable as we can. So 15, 18, 20 cents, and obviously we could add higher numbers if you're doing more volume. So the voicemail campaigns, you would go to the campaign tab here and hit create campaign. Name the campaign whatever you want. Have it run on whatever day, and you would go to this drop-down box right here, select voicemail, and select when you want that to send. So again, it depends on your use case. So if you have leads coming into the system, you can have it send at a relative time. So relative to when they come into the system, it's going to send, whether it's a minute, an hour, or however many days after they come into the system, you can do that. Or you can have them send at specific times, like if you're uploading a list or something like that. Or you can do it in sequence where, I want to send a couple voicemails. We'll send on day 1, and then we're going to send a voicemail on day 5 at 2 p.m., something like that. And then basically all you need to do is record your custom voice message like on your phone and send that file to your computer, and then it's going to pull, when you hit upload custom file, pick a file out of your out of the computer, it'll upload it, and then it'll send, no problem. So that is how you send voicemails. And to utilize our pipeline, the pipelines, obviously depending on what business you're in, are going to be different for every niche, and even within a niche it's going to be different. But you would create that voicemail campaign, and in the deal stage is where you would assign that voicemail campaign that you just saved. So and you'll see here we have Zapier and webhooks, so you can get anything into the system. So if you want to build a pipeline that is set on different triggers based on actions that a prospect or a contact takes, you can do that pretty easily with our system. So we would set up a trigger, something like a contract is signed. So if you're using, like, say, Panda Docs or DocuSign or something like that, you would go through Zapier. As soon as the contract is signed, it'll automatically move the deal stage and send them a voicemail. Hey, thanks for signing the contract. We're going to get things rolling right away. If you have any questions, touch base, something like that. So that would be an example of how you can use it. There's lots of other ways that you can automate your pipeline and use voicemail to help nurture your customers, your existing clients, contacts, all that kind of stuff. And as far as like, if you have a list that you own and you want to communicate with them via voicemail, so fill in the blank, whatever your use case is, these contacts are expecting communication from you. All you need to do is upload the CSV and assign the campaign. You can also assign lists and tags and stuff like that to send or not send, depending on what you need. But that is how our Ringless voicemail works within Funnelbolt. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to us either on Facebook or leave a comment here on YouTube. You can also email us, get in contact with us however you need. We have a Facebook group. If you are going to purchase Funnelbolt, we have a Facebook support group where, if you need anything with regard to strategy or how do I apply this in this way or whatever, our Facebook group can help you with that. There's a lot of other things that our Facebook group can help you with as well. If you need coaching on marketing or anything like that, we can help you within the Facebook group. We also have a training portal that, specific things that you need within the software, our training portal will show you exactly how it works. So thanks a lot. And if you have any other questions, again, feel free to reach out. Thanks.